guys, how you doing? I'm in Toyota. Actually decided to make this video because I'm second day in the row in Toyota. Yesterday I did the service for 75,000 kilometers. By the way, in 1 year I drove 75,000 kilometers, which is about 60,000 miles, 55,000 miles if you're from States or somewhere or from UK. And suddenly after service something went wrong with my hybrid system in the car, because I have Corolla hybrid GR Sport, by the way. And yeah, I have a time, so I decided, as I have an opportunity, to make a video and talk to you a little bit, especially suddenly for the past weeks I was very busy, and Winnie as well, and we didn't make much videos, unfortunately. Yeah, beautiful weather, spring came, definitely. I can peacefully just use my t-shirt and the leather jacket. It's around 15 degrees, sunny, beautiful day, beautiful weather. I really miss vlogging, but I still have difficulties with finding the time. But even today, this morning, I spoke with Winnie as we're gonna try to make some videos for you. Maybe less travel, because we're not traveling that much nowadays. But definitely we're gonna make a videos. Also, Winnie's actually next week will be exactly 1 year since she's in Poland already. So definitely she needs to make a video and talk about her thoughts. Meanwhile, yeah, I hope so. They're gonna fix my car, which is weird. 1 year old car and 75,000, and after the car service something went wrong actually. So this is their fault, definitely. But yeah, for me it's waste of time and waste of money, obviously, because I'm not driving, I'm not working, I'm not making money, and I have to spend here. At least they have a coffee. It is so. It's not a paid endorsement for Toyota. Actually, there is nothing actually nice to say at the moment, because they messed up with my car. But yeah, at least I can make a video for you. And yeah, there's second-hand cars here. I saw 5.0 Mustang from 2016. Maybe I should replace for the proper 5.0 V8 Mustang and drive it. The fuel consumption will go 4 times higher, but at least will be fun. Alright guys, I'm going back. See you on next one. Thanks for being with me, by the way. I know not too many people watching nowadays, but still I appreciate, as some of you still remember about the monkeys and Damian and Winnie from Bali, but right now in Poland. Take care.